Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be doing some work on this TT RS, which is mine. It's highly modified, we're in stage 3 over 500 brake horse. We will go through all the details of it very soon on another video, but for today we're going to be changing the indicators to dynamic indicators on the wing mirror. Right, first step is obviously removing the glass, which they send you this handy little tool, which isn't working. Hang on, there we go. Just be careful, try and pop it round. There we go. And you've got two wires on the back, which are obviously for the heated glass. Right, the next step on this is removing the screw in here. On the other side it was, I believe, a hex. This one is a Torx. So I don't think it's supposed to be a Torx. Obviously they've had it apart at some point. So with this main screw removed there, which just holds the actual mirror to the door, next step, twist the mirror, give it a little, like you're going to break its neck, and it will raise out. The next step when you've got the mirror removed is remove these screws here. There's 1, 2, 3, and then one just under here, which is a T20. Well, they all are T20s. So with them 4 out, the next step is remove the wires for the motor. Plug. Should pull out there. And you've got one more at the back, which is just inside there, which is obviously for the indicator, which is there. Right on my finger there. Which is also out. All you do then, tuck your wires through. All one at a time, they will fit, and that's that. And then the mirror cover can come off. Right, with the mirror removed, you just got your 6 T10s, which will remove the indicator from the mirror.